Hey everyone, today I have a Lockwood. It's a oval cylinder. It does have a key. The key presents 5 cuts, so it's a 5-pinner. Key works fine, as you can see. There's quite a difficult lock in terms of feedback. I know Lockwood uses standard key pins and driver pins, which possibly contributes to the lack of feedback you receive through the lock while picking it. There's a lot of guesswork involved and there's a lot of tension tool usage. Now, I've picked this a couple of times before I started filming, and I found out picking anti-clockwise works better than clockwise. I'm going to pick it now. So I locked. There we go. Perfect. So we can get it gutted. So all of these pins are all standard. Oops. As you can see, there's actually six chambers, but it's only been pinned as 5 pin. So there you go, 5 in there, all standard. And as you probably know, all these are all standard, 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 and standard. So we've got 5 standard driver pins and 5 standard key pins for you there. Thanks for watching, people. Till next time, and cheers, GUTTED for a lock. Cheers.